Hey guys, Philipp Schaedler here, your local realtor, schaedlerrealtor.com. I'm just about to show a house to a buyer of mine. We've got the mask and everything ready. She should be here any moment. But one of the things I want to talk about that's really important for buyers and sellers is this form, PVOH. And this form, basically, I have my buyer sign because what some people may not be aware of, that nowadays sellers, when they are not in the house and the house is being shown, they may have recording devices, video or audio, meaning every conversation that you have within the house is being recorded. So let's just say, for example, I'm in the corner somewhere, we're discussing something, and my buyer tells me, I really love this house, but I want to offer 5 or 10 below asking price. Now the seller just heard this conversation, so that's not going to happen. It's like he's standing right next to us, or she's like standing right next to us. That's one issue. Another issue is on the seller side. So let's say the seller decided to overprice the house, which never happens, right? And the listing agent has been trying to lower the price, get a price reduction, because there were no bites, there were no hits, nobody came by to see the place. And let's say a buyer's agent and the buyer walks in, and the buyer's agent has not run any comps, and the buyer's client says, oh my gosh, I love this place. And the buyer's agent might say, oh, this is going to go real fast. This is a great property. This is going to sell really fast. So the seller just heard this. So guess what? There is no price reduction. So now you made it really difficult for the selling agent to get a price reduction. Anyway, these are just some points that I want to point out. There's another issue, or another thing about that form, that sometimes people will go in the backyard and kind of peek over the fence to see what the neighbor is doing, or what the neighbor looks like, the neighbor's yard or the neighborhood. And they step on a stone and trip and fall. And so this form makes you basically aware that when you're entering this property, if you're unfamiliar with the property, with its terrain, steps, stairs, and so forth, and if you do fall, that's on your own accord, you have been basically forewarned. Anyway, this form is very important. This is the tip of the day. If you have any questions or real estate needs, please call me. My number is 310-918-2260, and you get more information on schaedlerrealtor.com, where you can actually get a free home report in your area to see what homes have sold, what's on the market, what the market is doing. Just go to schaedlerrealtor.com, and you can also get a free complimentary evaluation of your home, pricing of your home. Have a great day, and until next time.